That was my problem. It was on... Are you waiting for me?
Oh, I'm just going down that way.
Okay. And yes, okay. What are these guys? Ooh, so pretty. Right. Yeah, but none of them are expensive. None of them are expensive though. Oh, this one's got a mixed color. No. Yeah, I want the dark one. So one of each. Okay. A lot of flowering stuff here. Oh, this is the end of it here, right?
Well, we're getting to the end of this section, yeah.
Okay. And we have to wait for that guy to leave? Well, he can go the other way.
Yeah, he can still escape. The lady was pretty close to this end, so.
On the other hand, that's where the veggies are, is over there. See if I want anything.
Over there? Okay.
Ivy, don't want ivy. Actually, Mark. Yeah, they got some nice plants here and at good prices.
What's that?
I said they got nice stuff here and at good prices.
Well, that's a good thing we came here.
Yeah.
Good thing you didn't say, well, Steve, what do you want to do now? I don't want to know.
Stop a second. I think it's time that we look for a tray. Close, eh?
Where did that guy come from?
Right there.
Oh, he was just sitting there all on his own? Being lonesome and stuff?
Lonesome and stuff. Pretty much getting full on this guy, eh? Okay. Might have to get a bigger tray in the end. Like hot peppers. See the difference with those peppers, how big they are compared to one eggplant. What the hell? What the heck? Tomatoes. Well, we could put in a couple of slicing tomatoes. You know, like the kind for hamburger
What tomatoes?
slicing, like for hamburgers and
Oh,
that.
like beefcake something?
Yeah, something like that. Would you like some?
Yeah.
One?
Like just maybe one or
Yeah.
two.
Yep. Well, they come in a 4-pack.
Oh, 4 would be fine.
I just have to see what kind they have here. Lamb. Better boy. Actually, I would like a beef steak, something that I can save the seed. I think these are the guy. Can you read that? Does that say beef steak?
It says beef steak.
Perfect. And I've got probably about 20 or more plants for the grape tomatoes, the little cherry ones.
Hello and happy evening. Something about this one.
Okay, change. Actually, let's get a clean one here. Wait, clean one.
I don't think. Oh, they will fit. Okay. Good.
Maybe on the side. On the. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah. Cool. Acorn squash. I grew these for you last time.
What's that?
The acorn squash, the green things that you like.
Oh yeah.
You want one?
Sure.
Okay, let's see if I can find a nice. That one looked like a nice one after all. I was actually very successful at growing that one. All kinds of cukes here, but I've got cukes growing from seed. Swiss chard.
Up to you.
Swiss chard. Okay. Separate that, and yeah. Nope, that one's only got 3 in it. Okay, so this guy, has it got 4? It does, just have to tear off a couple of the dead leaves. I think I'm pulling a Nisi.
Not quite, but.
Well, the vegetable cell packs are $1.49 a box. These guys, I think, are $3, which is that's a good deal. I think we're done, right?
Looks that way.
Okay.
Okay, let's go back here.
So I guess
Get back out to the
I
main
guess the
aisle.
cart was a good idea.
It was a great idea. Now see if they have a sprinkler.
And I've got the green onions that you like, the bunching onions. Let's check down here. Can we check down here? Yes.
You can take that lot if you want.
Dad's garden, fairy garden.
What's that?
Dad's garden, which it isn't. Fairy garden, which it probably is. I'm a fairy.
That's it.
I used to believe in
You
fairies.
just looking at this stuff?
What's that?
Just looking at this stuff?
I'm looking. Yeah, I'm not going to buy the fairy garden. Please enter aisle here. Do not enter. No sprinklers. Sprinklers. I think they have sprinklers inside, so maybe we can ask the guy to come in. Well, but they're behind yellow tape, so we can go on.
Did you see them?
Well, let's do another. Like they have over this way, they do have some garden stuff that is blocked off here, which kind of is annoying.
You know what? Just pop the barrier, grab one, and scan it to self-check it.
Like, I believe over there.
Yeah, there's two of them there. $6 and $15. Okay, you got adjustability on this one,
Okay.
and it's $6. This one comes in a box. It's all plastic.
Yeah, I go for the metal one, and it's cheaper. Now,
I think that one's probably better.
oh yeah, yeah, but it's not the garden center mark.
What's that?
I mean, I'm leaving it there, right?
Yeah, I know. Okay, this
Okay,
is
there's also those guys.
okay. They're $15. Entirely up to you. I've always kind of liked this
Is that style better?
this style, because you can set your width.
Well, you're going to be adjusting it. Oh, you can set the width on that. Good.
Yeah, that's how you set the width. That'll just keep it basically stationary in the center. That'll make it go that way. That'll make it do a full
Yeah,
thing.
got that, but whether or not the width is where, like length, we have a lot of length, but we don't have a lot of width.
Okay, so in that case you use it like that so it goes fence to fence, and you
Yeah.
turn the water on full, so the water goes farther this way and that way. Okay, which one would you like?
Probably that one.
This one? Okay.
We could probably go out this door and pay for it
Yeah,
there.
we can just sneak out that
We,
door.
we've seen people come
hand
out
it to
that.
the guy.
We've seen people come out this door.
Too bad you didn't take that.
Okay, so as you may have noticed, we did walk out to the checkout in the garden center, and the young man at the cash didn't bat an eye. He scanned the sprinkler, and we paid for it and left. I'm sure he knew that it was behind the caution tape and we weren't supposed to buy it, but he didn't bother to argue with us over it, so that was great. We got our sprinkler, and obviously found this amazing garden center. Well, it was nice, it was large, it had a lot of variety of mostly flowers, but that's fine. I have most of my vegetables anyway. So I did pick out a few flowers. I would like some flowers in the garden. And yeah, we had a great time. Beautiful day, awesome weather, and a good time to be out and about. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.